Now, along with this, I also would like to put focus on how to register for the certification exam. Okay, so you can see here when you are on this page right now, you will see there is one option called click for registration exam. Click to register for exam. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just follow all the uh, options which is present here. You just follow me, and I'm sure this will help you out to fill all the details. Okay, so let's first of all go to the click for registration, click to register for certification exam. So when you click on this, it will open an exam dashboard, and in this, first of all, they will ask you with some personal information. So basically what you have to do is you have to fill the personal information, your courses details, your city details, and then you have to review everything, and then you can finish. Okay, so this all sections you have to complete, and I'm sure this can be done in just 30 minutes. That's more than enough. Okay, if you take a lot of time, it won't be good, because you should dedicate more time in learning rather than spending here. So once you have finalized everything, that okay, you have made your mindset that I have to give the exam, click on this option and go to the personal info. Now once, actually I have already filled it, so it won't be difficult for you to understand. So once you have clicked on that personal info, you will be observing that you are able to see your email, registered email ID here, your name, your date of birth. Make sure the date of birth which you are filling is completely correct. Don't give it fake, because they will verify the email, your date of birth from the government issued ID cards. You know that your date of birth is given in PAN card and all. Yes or no? So those government issued ID cards you have to take in the exam, and whatever date of birth is given there, that you should keep here. Okay, like I have observed few students, they have their date of birth something else on the PAN card or Aadhaar card or whatever, the date of birth is given different. So my recommendation will be, please give the date of birth which is given in the government issued ID card, because this might be checked at the exam center. Okay, now after filling that, you should start filling the basic details like your city name. So as I am now representing the SPOC of RVS College of Engineering Jamshedpur, so based on that I am filling all the details. So I have filled the city name as Jamshedpur. My state currently is Jharkhand. I am residing in the country India, and then you can give your mobile numbers. These mobile numbers are not correct, so I just to show you I have given here. Then after that you can put your gender, correct gender, and then here comes the most difficult part which I have seen students struggling. So guys, there's nothing to struggle. Look carefully here. So if you read all the information carefully, there's nothing to struggle. So they're asking for a passport size photo which should be either in the JPG format, JPEG format. Don't keep any other format. PNG format, students are taking PNG format. Please don't do it. Okay. So take JPG format or JPEG format, and make sure that the size of the image which you are taking, the passport size, it should be between 50 KB to 150 KB. If it is not there, you know there are many online tools through which you can convert it to 50 KB to 150 KB. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll drop a link through which you can do it in a very easy way. Clear? So I hope that will be helpful to everyone. And once you have set this passport size photo, you have set, you can see what message is seen shown here. You will not be allowed to change the document now. It is showing in my case. Means whatever photo I have added here, it is for now for all the courses. So please add a decent photo, because that document won't be, you won't be able to change it later on. Okay, similarly you can do with the signature part. So signature, again it is saying the same thing. You take either a JPG image or JPEG image, and the size again goes to 50 KB to 150 KB. The tool which I will be giving you, that through that you can do very easily. Still, if you are facing issues, for my mentee students, please talk to me personally. I'll help you in that. Okay, and the third section is your ID proof. and you all know you all have ID cards, yes or no? So either you can go for Aadhaar card, voter ID card, or DL. So please don't take anything else. Like some students are taking PAN card. Please, it's given here. Either take Aadhaar card, voter ID card, or DL, not anything else. And again, the rule remains the same. Either you drop a PDF format or JPG or JPEG format. So you can see one PDF format is also available here. Please don't take the PDF format for your passport size photo and signature. Only JPG and JPEG. So these instructions are small but are very important. If you try something else, you may again face problem. So it's my sincere advice to all my students. Please follow this advice. And your size for the ID proof should be between 50 KB to 2 MB. Now once you have filled all these, and one more advice I would like to give, the file name, please keep it in your name. Don't give some vague name like you have downloaded from WhatsApp and the name of the file is WhatsApp and the date and all. Don't keep in that way. Keep the file name with your name. Like for your photo you can write passport size photo underscore Gautam as my name it is. So you can keep in that format. Okay. So this is really a very important sections where students are finding issues, but please, if you follow my advice, I'm sure that problem will be resolved and you won't find any issue. Okay. Next, coming down, you can see it's very simple. First of all, you have to check out this, that you come under SC/ST category. If you're selecting yes, then see it is asking to upload a PDF file or JPG file. So if anyone is in the SC/ST category, please make sure that you should have the ID proof, and which you will have to enroll here, upload here. Okay. And if you are not in the SC/ST category, that option will be not given there. Clear? So as I am not there, so I am keeping it no. Now below that, few more details I have to fill. That is, are you a person with disabilities? I have kept here no. If I am keeping yes, I will again have to fill all these details. Okay. So I hope if anyone is there, you should choose the option in a very in a proper way, so that you should not face any difficulty later on. Similarly, what is your role? So if as I'm an employee, I'll choose here faculty, but if you're a student, you should choose student. If any person who is employed, they can choose employee option here. Next, are you writing the exam in outside India? So if you're writing yes, then they may ask you to provide many details. Okay, so please make sure about that. So as very few students might be there in my section, in my knowledge, so I'm not discussing about this. So I'm marking it no. Next, how do you know about these courses? So the best answer for my will be it's NPTEL local chapter from the person from your college. Okay, or it's up to you. You can choose any option present here. Okay. Next, what is the motivation to do this course? So for motivation, it's up to you. You can choose any. Like I used to tell student that as you're preparing for your competitive exams, please choose that. Okay, but it's up to you. You can choose any. After that, you have to just make a tick mark here and then save and continue. So this is all about the personal part. So once you have filled out, you can move to the next section. So here in the next section, they will be asking you with many more details, like they will be asking you again the country name. So I have filled it as India. Your college state, that is Jharkhand, I have kept it. You and see guys, one important thing is there, that once you select, like suppose if I'm selecting Karnataka, then I'll be getting all the colleges which are registered under NPTEL directly. So you can see there is a list of colleges which are I mean list of cities which are present in Karnataka, and they can select. Okay, let's suppose if I select here Jharkhand, as because I am in Jharkhand now. So if I select Jharkhand, I'll get all the city names which are in the Jharkhand. Okay, so if you should not select a very vague thing. Okay, because they have very fine tuned everything. So let's suppose you can see I'm selecting, let's suppose I'm selecting Giridih. So I'll get a college name from the Giridih itself, nothing else you will get here. So from Giridih there's only one college, that is Subhas Institute of Technology. So if I select here Jamshedpur, from Jamshedpur we have three options. One is Al Kabir Polytechnic, National Institute of Technology Jamshedpur, and the third one is RVS College of Technology, Engineering and Technology. Okay, this is the college which where I am now. So this you will select, and after that you have to select your area. So area generally, as we are in engineering section, we'll put engineering here. After that you have to select your department. So you can select department as per your choice. I have found few students telling sir that I am in triple E, what option I should select. So I have observed that there is no option for triple E. For that they can select electrical and engineering option. So I think that will be the most suitable option for them. And for others the options are already available, like ECE available, computer science is available. These are the very open ones. Agriculture is available, then mechanical is also available. So as I'm in computer science, I'll select computer science and engineering. And the next is, can we share your score with your college? Please select yes. Okay, because even if you don't select, if you make it no, then also you will get, the college will be getting all your details. And if you're selecting no, then you will the college will get the information along with your marks, that is you are not interested in giving your score. So it is better, please select yes. Okay, anyhow the college will get all the information. So once you are scoring, you are selecting this score and all option, then again you click on this give a tick mark here, and then click on save and continue. So these all are the basic uh, basic personal informations which you have given here. Now once you have given those all information, it's time to select exam cities. As you can see here, it's showing payment failed. Don't worry, you should not get this. Once you go for the payment and all, it should become green color, and payment successful should be written there. Make sure about that. So we'll not bother about a lot that. Let's first of all click on select exam cities, and before that, first of all, you have to add course. So click on the add course. So here the button is add course. So you click on this. So select a course. So I have selected many course, but for time being, I will be taking the problem solving through programming in C. Select the exam day. So only one exam day is available, that is 28/10/2023. Next, if you are a faculty, if anyone is faculty, please mark this here itself. If you don't mark it, then you won't be getting the FDP certificate. So please mark it here itself. If you are a student, please don't mark it. If you mark also, there won't be, maybe I think if a student is there, then you won't be getting this option. Okay. So as I am a faculty, I am getting this option. So I will make a tick mark here and I'll add this course. So once the course is added, it's time to select the exam city. Now once you are getting this exam city option, first of all click on this edit button, because I am seeing student clicking on this Jharkhand option sir and saying sir it is not clickable, what to do now. First of all, please click on this edit option. Okay, why this option is coming, maybe you may not get the option because you are doing for the first time. As I have done it earlier, that's why I am getting this option, that I have already chosen some centers. So those all centers are shown to me, and they are asking whether you want to keep same all of them or you want to change. If you want to change, click on the edit button. Okay, so I have made click on the edit button. Now as I am representing Jharkhand, so I'll be trying to select the exam centers from the Jharkhand itself. It's up to you guys, you can take any center from anywhere all over India. So first of all, you take the first preference. I have taken a center as Jharkhand, and in that only three options are there. One is Dhanbad, Jamshedpur and Ranchi. So as I am for currently now in Jamshedpur, so I am selecting Jamshedpur as the first option. And then you have to set the pin code as 831001. This is the exam center option of Jamshedpur. This is the pin code of Jamshedpur. So please don't fill anything else. Please fill this only. Okay. Now the second preference option, it's up to you now whether you want to keep the same state or some other state. Okay. So I'm selecting here as Jharkhand, and in the option I have now Dhanbad. So please select either Dhanbad or Ranchi, it's up to you. So if you are selecting Ranchi, then in the third preference, you will always get Ranchi only. Okay, so please keep in mind that how you are want to select your options. Okay, so your first option can be up to you, whatever you want, and similarly the second option and third option will be as per the requirement which you are interested in. Please try to fill it very carefully, and please do fill as soon as possible, because I have observed sometimes what happens, the students are filling this form one day on the last date. So what happen, if they are choosing Jamshedpur as the first option, and when they are getting the hall ticket, they are seeing that they are not getting Jamshedpur, they are sent to Ranchi for giving the exam. Now, why is it like that? It is just, the reason is only one thing. Because the last day has come and all the seats in Jamshedpur are full. Now, it's up to NPTEL whether they can give you first preference or not. So, if you are filling the exam form very late, the chance of getting the first preference is very less. So, it is my advice for every student that please fill the form as soon as possible so that you can get the first preference only and you can save some money. Okay, because if you are in Jamshedpur and you have to go and give the exam in Ranchi, then all the expenses about traveling or stay or fooding or whatever, that has to be bear by you only. No one else will take care of that. Okay, so it's my advice to all the students that please fill this form as soon as possible. Okay, so once you have decided and you have filled this form, you just click on confirm and save below. So once you have done this confirm and save, then you will be asked to confirm and pay. Now once you click on confirm and pay, they first of all ask you to go through all the information which you have filled here, whether all of them are correct or not. Okay, so we will go through very sincerely in all the information, and you can even click on this ID proof signature and all and check out whether the details are correct or not by clicking on this. So you can see if I'm clicking on my signature window, I'm getting my signature. I'll verify, okay, this is the correct signature. Similarly, you can open the profile photo and ID proof as well and check out whether those details are correct or not. Okay, and for doing that, you have to click on this I options which is present here. Okay, just click here and get to see what has been uploaded. If you find anything wrong, please go back and upload it once more, because once you have uploaded all the information, it will be very difficult again to change the things, because again there is a big procedure for changing all the details. So why to waste time in that? Please check it here itself, and once you are okay with everything, go down and then you just click on I agree to all the above. Now someone may ask me, sir, that has the amount increased? It is showing 1100 in your case. This 1100 is 1000 is for the exam and 100 rupee is for the FDP. Okay, so this is for the faculties. Okay, so in your case only you will be, it will be showing you 1000 rupees. So don't worry about this. Okay, so once you have done everything and you just click on continue to payment. Now once you have done this continue to payment, the easiest way of payment is go to the UPI section, click on make payment, proceed with the payment, and you will be able to scan here. So just open your Google Google Pay, that is Google Pay GPA or Paytm or Phone Pay, whatever you have, scan this and direct pay it. That's all. Okay, I'll just demonstrate you also in the next section. Just have a look. Okay, thank you guys.